If you're living your life correctly, then you'll already know about Lotus Biscuits. And today, my job is to turn this into this, a Lotus Biscuit based salted chocolate tart. I'm Lewis, and this is No Faults Given, and I'm going to be fat in no time if I carry on like this. Starting off with 250 grams of Lotus Biscuits, we're going to put them into a sandwich bag. I'm going to bash it down real nice until it's a fine powder. Don't be a savage about this and smash the bag everywhere. Gold dust on your floor. With the biscuit base that you've crumbed up, put it into a bowl and add 150 grams of melted unsalted butter. If you ever wondered what that looks like, there you go. Don't come here for healthy recipes. I'm coming here for flavour bombs. Stir in the butter, mix well, incorporate it into all the crumbs because that's what's going to make the base stick together once it cools. Now I'm putting mine into a 24 centimetre pie dish, and we're going to start off just with a little bit. We'll pat it down, try and work it into the corners. Okay, now the base is done, we're going to try and work it into the edges. Just take small amounts in my hands and work my way around. The small investment of time now means that when you cut it later and you take out a slice, the edges won't fall apart. It'll literally take you 2 minutes to do this. We're going to refrigerate this now for half an hour. Meantime, we're going to make the filling for it. And we're going to make a butter caramel here. So that's 200 grams of butter with 100 grams of soft light brown sugar. We're going to keep an eye on this, stirring occasionally, making sure not to burn the sugars. We're going to cook this approximately at this stage, once it's all melted in, and we're going to cook for about 2 minutes. Butter caramel's looking right now, so we're going to add 200 ml of double cream. Stir that in and drop the temperature right low. Just incorporate the butter and the cream together. For the chocolate, I'm using 85% dark chocolate. You can use anything above 70%. Anything above 70 is fine, and you need 200 grams. If you overheat the mixture, you can separate the butter fats from the chocolate, and it's quite easy to rescue if you've got a food processor like a Ninja blender. You can just simply blend the mixture together and that will save it. Pop it back in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours. After about 1 hour, we're going to take it out and put some flaked salt on the top. So that's been sitting in the fridge for 2 hours and it's set. There you go. Please consider liking and subscribing. I can't tell you how motivating each and every one of those is. And why not check out my chocolate pecan pie recipe? I'll put the link here for you. See you on the next one.